for our village, can we propose? No, if you all adapt. Implementation. See, there is central policy. The state government has already said yes.
आज आमचे ग्रामसभाक जायते भुरगे येयले. दॅट शोज दॅट दे आर कन्सर्न अबाउट आवर विलेज. पूण सद्याक आमचे एक पॉयंट स्ट्रेस करपाचे आमगे अंडरपास, वेस्टर्न बायपास, दीज आर ऑल मायनर इश्यूज. दीस इलेक्शन रोलाचेर आमचे वोटर्स रजिस्टर केले ते ओवर 10-15 years दीस इज हॅपनिंग. स्लोली पुश करून आमचे भायले वोटर चड जाले आनी आमचे विलेज वोटर्स त्या वॉर्डांनी उणी जाल्या. सो बेसिकली दीस आउटसायडर्स आर वोटिंग villages and they are running the show in the panchayat. So this is total injustice to the demography of the village and the ward. So what is happening is we have seen that there are on one or two houses there are numerous people living with different surnames. So we know that they are all migrants. Alya Tengolia, Baranche, which are commercial establishments, they are registered there, which gives us a fishy look where we say that these voters are never authentic. At the same time, now we look at the 20-point program. There we have lot of outsiders who are there. Why I say this and I conclude easily is saying that during elections in Karnataka, we see more than 3 buses coming to ply them from this village to there. So that itself says that they are registered in 2 places, which is against the law and which has to be taken to task. We have a good initiative taken by the Congress people where they have said that vote chori, and the word is right, vote chori is happening here. So we want to say that these people have to be cross-checked, saying that whether they are authentic or not. If they are registered in 2 places, काढपाचे तेंगा काढात. हांवें register करता आसतना election commissioner has all the technology to have biometric, all technology whatever you want. And use that in a more democratic way where everyone benefits. We don't want cheating. तुम्ही येता ते येयात कोणून. But in the grassroots here, as ward, village, our state, we are suffering because these people elect people who pay them more, and the entire village goes for a toss. So this is on one issue. Now the second issue is about the plastic, what we have taken up during this Gram Sabha, that plastic waste or the garbage which is littered all over the roads. Now when you litter it on the road, the dogs get it on the road and we have to drive over there, which is very pathetic to see when we have a village panchayat, we have the state government. No one wants to act. So it is done, cleaning is done once a month, which is not required, which is not sufficient. So we have to try and do it more regularly, which the panchayat has agreed to increase the frequency to collect the garbage. And we want really basic things. We don't want any sophisticated things. So answer request kele. Underpass was another thing which we are stressing on. Underpass आमचो 3 वर्सां जालीं कमिशन केलें. कमिशन म्हणजे स्टार्ट केलो. आज देखून थिंगा पासान वचपाक जायना. चड पास पडूं उण पास पडूं वचोंक मेळना. द बेसीक थिंग इज ड्रेनेज ना. ड्रेनेज ना म्हणजे कोणूच सांगतलो इंजिनियर नाका ताका. कोणूच सांगतलो ड्रेन तें पावसाचें उदक वचना खूंय. सो येतलें वतलें. हें करपाक आमकां PWDक इतले 3 वर्सां लागता. Is it not our money that we have invested into and we get nothing out of it? So आमचे village, since it is divided into 2, the east and the west, आमकां east to west येवपाक we have to spend 20 minutes at the level crossing to cross. This is when we have such infrastructure which we have invested, आमकां उजा करपाक मेळना. So who's losing it? आमी villagers are suffering. So I would say this needs urgent attention and please we request everyone's help to get this fixed. Thank you.
नाव सांगा.
Kevin D'Souza.
आज ग्रामसभेत किती रेझोल्युशन डिस्कस झालं सर?
ते ग्रामसभा एक मेन मोठो हेजो कितें तो इलेक्शन रोलाचो
ते डबल वोटर्स असते.
11 and 13 तेजे डिस्कस जाला की आतां आमी इलेक्शन कमिशनराक ताणें चोवपा जाय तें आनी आमी ताका रेजोल्युशन घेवन आमी ताका धाडलें आतां आनी तें वेरीफाय करता.
ओके. डबल असं डिलीट करपा लायतले.
हय.
आनी खंयचें कितें जालें डिस्कशन?
आनी अंडरपासा एक जालें न्हू. अंडरपासा जे तांकां येयल्ले ते कितले फाटी येवन गेले PWD येयले MLA येयला म्हळ्यार आजून तेंगेलें कांय जालें ना चोय केदो कितें जाता तें आनी आयकोडे आमी घातले तेंकां परतून
किती इश्यू आशिल्लो तो अंडरपासाचो?
उदक वता न्हू थिंगा
आं.
उदक चड वता सारकें आनी आतां सारके त्रास जाता थिंगा वयच्यार जायना
बंद करतो पावसासान बंद दवरता दिसता
ना
तुमकां.
बंद पास ना तेन्ना वयच्या मेळटा थिंगा मागीर जाता आनी दुसरें म्हणटा ग्रामसभा बरी गेली आनी युथाचे भुरगे येयले जायते बरें दिसलें सरावली जायतो लोक जालो एक पाटी ग्रामसभा थँक्यू
नांव सांग तुमचें सगळें?
डोमिंगोस फेर्नांदीस एक सरपंच आनी 5 मेंबर